This is a facility that we're building in the Texas area, and they're putting up a new warehouse. So we're going to do 5G inside that warehouse instead of Wi-Fi. Typically, this would have been Wi-Fi, but outdoors, they're putting a bunch of cameras outdoor this facility. We're going to put Axis cameras outdoors of that, the new Axis camera. In the old days, we would have ran multi-mode or single mode fiber to, like I said, to every light pole outside. There would have been $50,000 to $60,000 worth of fiber to get those cameras connected outdoors of this facility. We are going to put a couple roof mounted 5G APs on either end of this facility to light the outdoors of this up.
Yeah.
And then in doing that, we're going to have, coverage outdoors of this facility. It's going to be at half the cost of that fiber. And we're going to have not only those APs up and going, but that's going to be, again, people get short-sighted or narrow-focused and they say, oh, you're just doing that for the cameras. No, I look at that as saying, the build it and they will come thing. Now, if that guard shack out there in the future needs one computer, or you need an access control gate arm, or you need anything IP related out there, we have the ability now to have all that things connected, because we now have the ability to have our networks out there. And when we're doing this installation, we put both of our, what I would call our normal admin network and our plant, what OT networks out there on this hardware. So this was a factory and they said, hey, we've got a tank out there and I need to get a tank level off that grinder. I would say, okay, we have the ability to have that plant network out there, and we can
Hmm.
put a LoRaWAN device out there and get a tank level off of it and get that back into the OT network. So again, having that 5G outside to pick up cameras allows you to have that network coverage out there in that Iowa Field of Dreams. I'm originally from Iowa. That gives you that build it and they will come mentality of saying, now we've enabled a whole bunch of other things to stack on top of that. We didn't
This that
realize we're going to have this coming down the road, but when they say, hey, how are we going to hook that up? Oh, network's already there. Just we got to get it on that 5G network and we're good.